Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. So as you all can see here, we are going to do this collage here. So for this you require any two color sheets, okay, any two color, whatever. If you are having rough paper with you, any bits of pieces left from which art and craft work done before, please use them. Don't take any fresh pieces, okay. So here I have used orange and two shades of blue, okay. So you can also use like this, or you can just take any two colors. Right now here in this work there are three colors, okay, orange, light blue and dark blue. So if you wish, you can also go with three colors like this, or just take two colors, okay. So any two colors. So if you're having, I'm again saying, if you're having any old pieces or any newspaper cuttings or colorful papers which you have, please use them, okay. Don't take any fresh pieces for this activity. Secondly, take a small size paper. Don't take big size paper like your art file. So this is half of A4. This is A5 size sheet here which I have used. Take a small size so that there is less work to do and it looks beautiful at the same time, okay. Let's start now. So what you're going to do is you have to write initial of your name, okay. Suppose somebody's name is Sakshi, so S for Sakshi, okay. Sarthak, S for Sarthak, okay. If your name starts with A, write A. If your name starts with B, C, D, any letter, okay. Just write down that letter first, and very simple. So I'll just tell you, as most of you might have A. So for A, write down very simple A. Okay, like this. Try to make it a little wide here. Okay, let me make it wide only. Okay, so write a little wide so that you are able to paste paper in between, okay. A, B, C. So S is simple, S is normal S, and double outline your S. That's it. Any letter, every letter is simple. P is simple, P is like this, okay. J is also very simple, like this. Okay. Any letter you can write it down, just double outline it. That's it. So now we'll start. So first of all, what we are going to do, as you can see here, there's so many triangles here, okay. So no need to be shape specific. If you want, you can cut triangles. If you want, you can cut squares. If you want to cut random shapes, you can cut random shapes. So that's it. We just need to cut our paper, okay. So let's keep triangle only. Let's cut some triangles here, okay. Just try to take small size so that you're able to paste it inside your A as well as outside. No need to cut big triangles. So I'll just do half of this one. Same for orange. So let's take this neon orange. I'm again saying, please don't take fresh papers. You can use any leftover paper, any colorful newspaper, magazine paper, okay, anything you can use. So we have these triangles ready with us. So for this part, we'll just quickly paste this triangle which fits in perfectly for our A. So if you want to paste two triangles, you can go ahead with two triangles also. Okay, and now, so in this one I'm keeping orange as the background and blue for this A letter. So that is why I pasted orange there. So whatever you are going to put in your background, please paste that. So it's not like you don't need to paste, you don't need to overlap. Okay, no, please don't overlap. Now let's paste some inside our A also. So we'll start from top, then gradually we will fill it. So we are avoiding overlaps here, okay, so that it will look nice and it will be attractive at the same time. So just try to arrange them nicely, have fun with your collage paper cutouts, and that's it. You're just going to have fun, nothing else. Okay, write your initial and write it as wide as possible. Okay, so paste anything anywhere, wherever it fits in, wherever you are able to fit it. And if something like this, in this triangle, some part is going out, so what we'll do, we'll just cut some. Okay, so please don't worry in that case. If something is going out, cut it. That's it. So I hope you will be completing this work. It will look like this. Okay, I'll show you. It will look like this. And have fun. That's it. This collage is all about having fun. Write your initial like this. Make it little bold, white. Okay, like this S here. And keep it at a distance, and then only you will be able to see how pretty it will look. Okay. If you want to use 2 colors for this, you can go ahead with 2 colors for the background. If you just want to use 2 colors in total, like this, 1 orange and blue, like this one orange and 1 blue, please go ahead. Okay, just try to reuse paper, no fresh paper please. Okay, we are trying to save paper here by reusing your old or any old artwork which has gone quite messy. So if you want to recreate it, you can create it like this. Okay, so small size paper, wide drawing. Okay, small size paper, wide drawing, थोड़ा मोटा drawing करना ताकि आप अपना पेपर अच्छे से पेस्ट कर पाओ. पेपर का साइज़ छोटा लेना ताकि आपका काम कम करना पड़े. Thirdly, पेपर को रीयूज़ करना. जो भी आपने पेपर यहाँ पे पेस्ट करना है, try to reuse or whatever you have with you in spare or old papers or newspaper or magazine papers, colorful papers, anything, whatever thing is available with you. So if you're just having newspaper, just paste newspaper in your letter. Okay, and then you can color the rest. That's it. Okay, we'll be waiting for your artworks. It will look like this, and hope to see your artworks super soon. But do it nicely, take your time, and then share with your name and class. Thank you so much.